In this video I am showing you how you can remove third-party app access from Twitter. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open your Twitter app, and this tutorial works for the both Android and iOS, so you can watch this video until the end. So firstly open your Twitter app and then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap on the settings and privacy option in the bottom. After that tap on the account in the top. Then scroll down to the data and permissions tab and then tap on the apps and sessions. So when you tap on this, then it will take some time to load, and after that it load, then you can see the connected apps option. So top option, tap on the connected apps, and here you can find all the connected apps in this list. So in my case there is only one app, so you can simply tap on this one app. To remove it, simply when it open like this, then you can simply tap on the revoke app permissions. So to remove this, simply tap on the revoke app permissions in the bottom, and then you have to go back. And then so when you go back, then so to confirm this, you can again open apps and session, and then you can again open the connected apps, and here you can see there is no connected apps. So you have to simply open any of the app, and then you can simply tap on the revoke this app access. So that's it, how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.